ZOOMLINE ZAP Hemi Series mobile housefault batching plant are specially designed by our company to meet market demand. Featuring a mobile intermittent housefault mixing plant with production capacities ranging from 30 tons per hour to 90 tons per hour. The main components include a aggregator system, drying system, dust removal system, screening system, mixing system, and housefault supply, among others. This series of mobile housefault mixing plants are characterized by compact structure, convenient transportation, and a relatively small footprint. All the necessary components are mounted on a single chassis, aggregator feeders, dryer, automatic burner, Hunstone elevator, vibrating screen, low cell weighing system, twin shaft paddle mixer, primary dust cyclones, and an electrical cabinet. The plant is mounted on a fully mobile chassis with pneumatic-tied running gear and a fifth wheel towering attachment for towing vehicle. The mixing tower is specially equipped with a hydraulic system, which allows for self-lifting after assembly, greatly saving time and current operation costs. The screening and a mixing section of the plant and a Hunstone elevator are specially equipped with a hydraulic system and which allows for self-lifting after assembly within minutes. The main components can be installed and assembled within a few hours, and by adding a bitumen tank and a reclaimed fuel silo, the plant can be fully operational within a day of arriving on site. More customized designs are upon optional. ZOOMLINE welcome you to consult for more information.